Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file W-2 and 1099 together, ensuring you report all your income correctly to the IRS. It's crucial to organize your documents first, distinguishing between your traditional employment and any independent contractor work. We'll cover the essential steps to combine these income sources on your tax return, helping you navigate the process smoothly. This guide will simplify what might seem like a complex task, making tax season less stressful for you. Your Form W-2 details income from an employer, including your gross wages, tips, and other compensation. It also clearly shows the amounts withheld for federal, state, and local income taxes, as well as Social Security and Medicare. This information is directly entered into your tax software or onto your tax forms. Having all your W-2s ready is the first step in accurately reporting your earned income for the tax period. Form 1099 covers income from sources other than a traditional employer, such as freelance work, interest, or dividends. If you're an independent contractor, you'll likely receive a Form 1099 NEC. Unlike W-2 income, taxes are not typically withheld from 1099 payments, meaning you're responsible for paying self-employment taxes, which include Social Security and Medicare contributions. It's important to track all your 1099 income and related business expenses throughout the year. When filing, your W-2 income goes directly onto Form 1040, typically on line 1. For your 1099 income, especially from self-employment, you'll use Schedule C to report your gross receipts and deduct any eligible business expenses. The net profit or loss from Schedule C then transfers to your Form 1040. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. This combined approach ensures all your income, both employed and self-employed, is accurately reported to the IRS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.